Hello guys, welcome back. Welcome back to yet another video. In this class, we are going to discuss on the topic newly added for CA Foundation in paper number 3, Quantitative Aptitude, that is partnership. They have not included in the exercise part, rather they have included in the additional question bank. You can find this topic in your additional question bank from question number 98 onwards. Approximately it is given 10 to 12 questions is being given under the partnership area. So first let us deeply getting into what is the mean by partnership. As you know, as you have already studied in accounts as well as in law, when two or more partners carried out a business by providing some amount, that some amount can be a capital, and sharing the profits and losses at an agreed proportion is known as partnership. Is a basic thing. In quantitative aptitude, we would be discussing, we will go for 3-rule approach. What are the 3-rule approach we will see, and we will directly jumping into that sum. Okay. Whenever the periods same, the capitals differ, we will go with capital ratio. For example, my periods are 1 year. Okay. My capitals, let's say it is 1 lakh for A. B, it is 2 lakh. My company's profit is 30,000. As the period remains the same, I may not able to bifurcate. The amount will differ. So what I will do, I will go with this capital ratio. Here, what is the capital ratio for 1 lakh is to 2 lakh? It's known as, it is 1:2. Very good. If it is 1:2, that suppose in question they are asking A share of profit. What is the only A share of profit they are asking? What you will do? 30,000 into 1/3 you will put. You will write down 10,000. So when the periods are same, capitals differ, we will go with capital ratio. Fine. Is it fine with this first rule?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Go with the second rule. The second rule is when the capitals is same, the periods differ, time ratio. Suppose we'll go with an example. In the same example, okay, in the same example, A and B is a person having same 1 lakh. But A invested at the starting of the business. That is, let's say the period is going to be 12 years. At the starting of the month, or the starting of the year, A is investing. B is investing after 3 months. B is investing after 3 months. Okay. A is investing at the end, starting of the year. B is investing at the end of after the 3 months. So after the 3 months, he is investing. So the time period is going to differ. Okay. We are going to go with the which ratio? Time ratio we are going to do. So if I do, it is 3 months. So if it is 3 months, after the 3 months, the period of enjoying the profit is only 9 months. Here, A is enjoying the profit for a whole year. B is enjoying the profits only for 9 months. So what I will do, it is in the ratio of 12:9. If it is 12:9, I can say it is 4:3. Based on this ratio, I will divide my profit 30,000. Okay. Here the key point is capital remains the same. I will go with the last case, rule number 3. That rule number 3 will be based on both will differ. Let's say A is investing 1 lakh at the starting of the business. Okay. B is investing rupees 2 lakhs after 6 months. Okay. The business is going to be happen only for 1 year. Let's say I earn a profit of, let's say, around 50,000. I earn a profit of 50,000. Whenever capital is different, time is different. Capital is different, time is different. You will go with products approach. Okay. What is that product approach? We will first convert everything in form of months. So here starting 1 year means it is 12 months. After 6 months only is investing. The remaining tenure of the period is 6 months. Okay, here 6 months, here 12 months. Both are different. Capital is different. Time period is different. Capital of B is different. Time period of B is different. So what we are going to do, we'll simply multiply. 1 lakh into 12 is how much?
12 lakh.
12 lakh. 2 lakh into 6 is how much?
12 lakhs.
12 lakh. So 12 lakh is to 12 lakh. It is merely is to what? 1 is to 1, right? It's what? If you compare 12 lakh into 12 lakh, it is merely is to what? 1 is to 1. So we will divide this in the form of 1 by 2. It is nothing but 25,000 for A, 25,000 for B. Are you able to understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Shall we go for the sum? Okay. For this, I will give you two kinds of method. For some questions, from basic questions, from starting for one or two questions, I will give you both the method as well. Regular method and as well as the calculator trick. But we will purely dependent on the calculator trick. In a single step in a calculator, we will get the answer. Okay, we will read the question, understand the question, we will frame the question in our mind, we will put the calculator and we will get the answer easily. We will start with question number 98. P and Q started investing in the business 85,000, 15,000 respectively. In which ratio, in what ratio, profit earned after 2 years being divided into P is to Q. In simple, shall I say, what is they are asking? There are two partners, P and Q, investing 85,000, 15,000 as a capital. The capital is differs, but the period is after 2 years they are asking. Correct?
Yes.
So it will be based on which ratio?
Product ratio.
Oh, here see. Time period remains same. Capital differ. Which ratio?
Capital ratio.
Capital ratio. Fine. What is the capital ratio here? 85 is to 15, right? 3,000, 3,000 is gone. 3 zeros is gone. So 85 is to 15. So what you can do, either you can simplify it. If you know the tables, you can take a common multiple and you can bifurcate it. Sir, I don't know want to table, so I don't want to take a risk. So what you can do, go with a calculator approach. What is the calculator approach? Take a calculator, do 85 by 15. What is 85 by 15? We'll get how much?
5,666.
How it is 5,066? 5.66. What you are doing? 85 by 15 is nothing but 5.66. Okay, 5.66. So do the same thing. I need to get 5.6. No. Will I get it in 3.4? Will I get it in 3.4? 3.4. What is 3.4 pi? It is 0.75 only, right? Then what is 3.5? 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is nothing but 0.6. 15 by 23 is nothing but 0.6652. You are only left with option D. Here, there is a mistake in option D. It is not 17 is to 23. It is only 7 is to 3. Do 17 is to 3. What is 17 is to 3? 5.66. Here, if you simplify 85 by 15, if I cancel using 5 table, 5 into 17 is 85. Okay, 5 into 17 is 85. Into 5 is nothing but 17 into 5 equal to 85, and 3 into 5 is nothing but 15. So it is nothing but option D. Are you able to understood?
Yes, sir.
Next, we will go to question number 99. Anand and Deepak started a business investing 22,500 and 35,000 respectively. Out of a total profit, 13,800 is total 13,800. Both are started in the same thing. In the first month of the business, they are investing. So here, month is the starting of a business point remains the same. Okay, the tenure of 1 year, both the capital is there. The capital only differs. We'll go with capital ratio. Okay, what we will do, we will first find out the ratio. 22,500 is to 35,000. If I cancel two zeros, it will become 225 is to 350. If I further cancel, okay, or I will keep the same. What is 350 plus 225? Total is 575. Whose share they are asking? Deepak share they are asking. This is Anand. This is Deepak. So Deepak share they are asking, it is 350. What is the profit? 13,800. So do this in your calculator. 350 divided by 575 into 13,800. What is answer?
8,400.
8,400. So option C. This is one way. Okay. What you can do it in the same thing in a calculator. We'll do it in a single step approach. Take a calculator, do 22,500 plus M plus 35,000 M plus MRC divided by equal to into 35,000 into 13,800. We are not taking any single step of pencil. We're not taking the pencil to work out the problem. We will do it everything in a calculator itself. Take a calculator. 22,500 M plus 35,000 M plus MRC. You will get 57,500 as a denominator. So you will do divided by equal to, then multiply by that Deepak share, that is 35,000. Okay, from that value, we will calculate the profit into 13,800. What you are getting?
8,400.
8,399 point somewhere. Okay, 8,400 is the answer. This is what we can do it in a single step approach. Okay, so next we'll go with question number 100. You are going to read the question. Lakshita, the question.
ABC enter into a partnership investing rupees 35,000, rupees 45,000 and rupees 55,000 respectively. The respective shares of ABC in an annual profit of rupees 40,500
Or they are given the option. Fine, let it be. We can do it in a single step through calculator rather than finding. Okay, what we will do, take a calculator, 35,000 M plus 45,000 M plus 55,000 M plus MRC. Do everything M plus M plus M plus MRC. What you will get? 1,35,000. You got it in a calculator. Press divided by equal to. Press divided by equal to. You will get into the numerator. What is A share? A share is nothing but 35,000. Multiply by 35,000. What is the total profit? Multiply by 40,500. Multiply by 40,500. What is the value of it?
10,500, sir.
Very good. 10,500. Which option shows me 10,500?
Yeah.
A option, that's all. If there is any option going with similar 10,500 in option C or option D, then you will go and check with option B. Okay. Then you will go with B share. At the time, what you can do? Directly take this in your calculator, do divided by equal to. Here you will go with 45,000. Here you will go with 40,500. It will remain same. Are you able to understood? You don't want to again do it with the M plus and all. Once M plus is done, it is completely fine. Don't want to do it by again and again. Are you able to understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. We'll go with question number 101. I am expecting somewhere around minimum one question should be there from this topic. So carefully understand this. We'll go with question number 101. That's Sharmita, you can read the question.
Reena and Shalu are partners in a business. Reena invests rupees 35,000 for 8 months and Shalu invests rupees 42,000 for 10 months. Out of a profit of rupees 31,570, Reena shares.
They are asking Reena share. Appa. Okay, they are asking Reena share. What you can do, we can do it in a single step approach in a calculator. Actually, it should be done how I will tell you, and then I will go for a calculator. First, Reena Shalu. Reena is 35,000 for 8 months. We'll go with product ratio approach. Then here, S is investing 42,000 for 10 months. If I multiply 35,000 into 8, or if I cancel 0, 3 zeros is gone, 3 zeros is gone. So 35 into 8, how much? 35 into 8,
280.
280. 42 into 10, 420. Yeah. Keep the ratio as it is. 420 plus 280, 700. So 700 is the total value. They are asking Reena share. What is this Reena share? We will say total profit. Total profit is nothing but 31,570 into what is this Reena's? Reena's is 280 divided by 700. Do it and give me answer. 31,570 into 280 divided by 700. What is the answer?
12,628, sir.
Very good. 12,628. So we will go with option B. This is one-way approach. Okay. Whatever we have done it through this writings, we can do it in a single step through calculators. Shall we do it? What we can do, take a calculator, do 35,000 into 8 M plus 42,000 into 10 M plus MRC. 35,000 into 8 M plus 42,000 into 10 M plus MRC. You will get 7 lakh, right? Once you get 7 lakh, from denominator, you should multiply with the numerator. So you will go with divided by equal to. You will getting into the numerator, right? You need to multiply with Reena share. What you will do? Again, you will do 35,000 into 8. Again, what is the share of profit? Total profit is 31,570. You will multiply into 35,000 into 8 into 31,570. What is answer you got? Exact answer.
12,627.98, sir.
98, sir. So we will go with 12,628. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Without taking any pencil, any papers, because in your examination, they may not give you the rough sheet for your additional rough sheet for that matter. So what you will do in a single step approach, we can take a calculator. In last keyword is important. Whose share they are asking? If you understand that thing, you can easily crack it. Shall we go with direct calculator trick for 1 or 2?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Read the question.
Kanchana started a business investing of rupees 9,000. After
Fine.
5 months, Samir joined it with a capital of rupees 8,000. If at the end of the year they earned a profit of rupees 6,970, then what will be the share of Samir in the profit?
Fine. So there will be K, there will be S as a person. K is starting the business from the starting itself, investing. Samir comes after 5 months. If it is after 5 months, in a year, we are having 12 months. If it is after 5 months, it is how much period is left?
7.
7. So here you will remind 7 in your mind. So what we can do it in a single step in a calculator. Take a calculator. Whose share they are asking? Sameer's share they are asking. You will highlight only that Sameer's share. 7 you will highlight, 8,000 you will highlight. That's it. Take a calculator. What is 9,000 into 12 m plus 9,000 into 12 m plus 8,000 into 7 m plus MRC. You will get 1,64,000. Then press divided by equal to. Then multiply by 7 into 8,000 into 6970. Because they are asking Samir. Into 7 into 8,000 into 6970. What is the answer you got? What is the answer, pa? Those who are watching this video, you can also participate. I am getting 2379.996. Are you acknowledging it? Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So we will go with which option? Option B. We will go with question number 103. What is question number 103? Anybody read the question?
Simran started a software business by investing rupees 50,000. After 6 months, Nanda joined her with a capital of 80,000. After 3 years, they earned a profit of rupees 24,500. What was Simran's share in the profit?
Super duper question. Here, after 3 years, they are asking. Simran started a software business by investing 50,000. So how much months he has contributed that 50, how the 50,000 has been contributed to earn a profit for how long? Converted everything into months. That is one way approach. Converting everything into that years, you will keep it as in years. How it is keeping as in years? You will take 3 years, no? You will take 3 years as this. After 6 months, mean, shall I say it is 2.5?
Yes.
Shall I say it is 2.5?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it's a two-way approach is there. Either convert everything in form of months and then do a calculation. Convert everything in a form of correct decimal places. If it is 3 years, we'll put 3. If it is after 6 months, it is merely 2.5 years, right?
Yes, sir.
Is it right? So we can do that also. We can solve this sum. Why we can want to do it by into 12 months, into 36 months and all. Okay, so we can do it in the same different method. Okay, whatever method is comfortable for you, you can take that. Whose share they are asking? Simran share they are asking. So we will mark that in different color. So this 50,000 is they are asking. That period is 3 years. Here it is going to be 2.5, right? What we will do? First, take a calculator. Do 50,000 into 3 m plus. Okay, 80,000 into 2.5 m plus MRC divided by equal to into 50,000 into 3 into 24,500. Do this in your calculator. I am also doing with you.
So the
50,000.
answer is 10,500, sir.
You got 10,500. In this sum also you can do that. Rather than multiplying by 12 months, rather here it is in months, we will complete. Here they say after 6 months, after 6 months, after 6 months, then we will go with 3, 2.5, 1.5 years. That way approach we will do. Is it fine? If it is 12 months is given, we will convert everything. If it for 1 year, 12 months is given, we'll put 3 months, 4 months, whatever the case they will give. If it is for 4 years, 5 years profits is given, then we will go with 3.5, 2.5 like that. Are you able to understood?
Yes, sir.
We will go with question number 104. Okay, 104 is what? A and B started a partnership by investing 20,000, 15,000 respectively. Fine. Both are started the business same at the same time. After 6 months, C joined with them for 20,000. So after 6 months means, shall I say A and B? So first I will complete that question. What will be the B share in total profit of 20,000 at the end of 2 years? It is not years, it is years. 2 years from starting of the business they are asking. So from the starting of the business they are asking. So shall I say A and B contributed for whole 2 years, but C is contributed only for 1.5 years, right?
Yes, sir.
So we can convert themselves into 24 months, and then 18 months. That is also one way. Okay, we can do it in a calculator. Shall we do what they are asking? B share they are asking. So 15,000, 20,000, 2 years. That's the approach here. So what we will do, take a calculator. What is the trick? You will teach me now. What is the first step I need to do? What is the first step I need to do?
20,000
20,000 into 2M plus.
Into 2M plus. Then
15,000 into 2M plus.
very good. Then
20,000 into 1.5M plus.
super. 20,000 into 1.5 M plus. Then
MRC
then
divided by equal to, sir.
then multiply
into
by
20,000
multiply
into
by
1.5
how it is 1.5. It is B only they are asking, right?
into
2,
2.
sir, into 2.
Into 2. Then again into 20,000, because this 20,000, this 2 is merely sorry, here it is 50,000, right? B share is 15,000. Here this 20,000 is nothing but your profit. Here 2 is nothing but B's tenure, time period. Here 15,000 is B's capital. Give me answer. What is the answer? What is the answer you got, Pa? Tell me whether right or wrong, doesn't matter. Those who are watching this video also, you can also participate. Sharmita, what is the answer? What is answer?
6,000.
6,000. 6,000 is a correct answer. Cancel any option and write 6,000. Because the option given in IC study material is wrong. Don't think that you are wrong. Your method is correct. Your approach is correct. They are giving itself wrong. Okay, here the answer is 6,000, right? Cancel any option and write 6,000. Or go and check with the book back option whether they are giving A or B. Cancel that option and write 6,000. 6,000 is an exact answer. Are you able to understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then we'll go with 105, some more bigger question. We will try to simplify it. Read that question.
Aman started a business investing rupees 70,000. Rocky joined him after 6 months with an amount of rupees 1,05,000, and Sagar joined them with the rupees 1,05,000 1.4 lakhs after another 6 months. The amount of profit earned should be distributed in what ratio among 6 months? The amount profit earned should be distributed in what ratio among Aman, Raki, and Sahar respectively. 3 months after started the business.
Here, cancel this line. Cancel this. The amount of profit earned should be distributed in what ratio among Aman, Raki, and Sagar respectively for 3 years after Aman started a business. Very simple. We'll simply go with multiplicative ratios. Take a calculator. Aman started a business for 70,000. Raki joined him after 6 months. Fine. With an amount of 1,05,000. Sagar joined with them for 1.4 lakh after another 6 months. Okay. That respectively for 3 years, right? So Aman has contributed towards a profit. That amount of capital is contributed for 3 years. Raki's capital has been contributed for how many years, pa?
2.5.
2.5. Sagar's 1.4 is contributed for how many years?
2.
2. Fine. Let it be. Calculate. Take a calculator. 70,000 into 3.
2
Give
lakh
me.
10,000.
Into 3. Here, 2,10,000 we will write. Because they are asking in ratio, no. This is not in amount. So 2 lakhs. Then 1,05,000 into 2.
2,62,500, sir.
1,05,000 into 2.5. Yeah.
2.5.
Fine. 2,62,500. Then 1.4, 1,40,000 into 2.
2,80,000.
2,80,000.
There, 2,80,000. So from this, what I able to understand, each and every ratio is increasing. Each and every ratio is increasing in trend.
Yes, sir.
So is it be in a ratio of 7:6:10? Is it applicable? Either it should be 3, 4, 5 or 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this only, it is an increasing trend, no?
Yes, sir.
So here itself, I will remove option A. Are you able to understood?
Yes,
Then
sir.
what I will do, by simply, I'm just doing
Sir,
everything. Yeah.
sir,
Yeah.
can you say again, sir?
Can I repeat it again?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Whatever the ratio is given, we'll simply multiply and get that value, right? 2,10,000, 26, 2,62,500, 2,80,000. Are you comfortable with this point?
Yes, sir.
Yes. We will check. First, Aman contributed only 2,10,000. Then Raki, whatever the person, contributed 2,62,500. Then Sagar is contributed 2,80,000. Right? They are asking what is the ratio, how the profit has been distributed. Okay. If it is that was the case, 2,10,000 ratio should be lesser than 2,62,500. Is it right? 2,10,000
Yes, sir.
is a low value. 2,62,000 is a higher value. So it should be 3:4 you will write. Right? Or whatever the ratio, we will write it down. So the first number should be a smaller number, then second number should be a greater number, and third number should be greater than the previous two. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
If that was the case, I get in my option A, it is 7, 6, 10. Is it possible?
No, sir.
This is known as elimination method. I will eliminate that option A. Okay, by just looking at that answer. Then I will go with option B. Option B and option C is similar. So what I will do, I will take this two component in my calculator. I will take 2,10,000, 2,62,500. This technique is being useful for those who are feeling difficulty in mathematics. If you know how to cancel, if you know play with the mathematics tricks, this trick is not for you. You can take a pencil and do it. If I am not comfortable with that pen and pencil method, we will go with the calculator approach. Okay, sir, we will do for another method, sir. For ease purpose, what we can do, we will cancel all the 3 zeros. Okay, to calculate simple, we'll do with 210. We can only able to cancel 2 zeros. So it is 2100, 2625, 2800. Okay, so this is what we can do. So what we can do, we will take these two values in a calculator. How I can take 2100 divided by 2625. 2100 divided by 2625. What is the value?
0.8.
0.8.
0.8, sir.
Go with option A. B, do 12 by 15. What is the value you got?
0.8, sir.
0.8. I same time go with option C. Go with 42 by 45.
0.9.
0.933, sir.
933. So from here itself, what you can say?
Option B.
Option B. Go and check the book back answer. What is the question? 105, right? 105. Option B. Is it easy?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I
sir.
try to simplify it without taking any pen and paper. Okay, go with question number 106. 106, they are asking what? A begin a business with 85,000 and is joined afterwards with the B, and B is joined afterwards with 42,500. For how much period does B join if the profit and the end is distributed in 3:2, 3:1 ratio? So they are given in a reversal calculation. Okay, the profit they have given, it is 3:1. A has begun the business with 85,000. B has begun the business. Okay, B has begun the business after how many months they are asking. So it is for 1 year. So what I can do is starting a business is contributed for whole year. So I will put 12 over here. B is coming after some time, but we don't know what is the time. So I will take 42,500. Okay, I will take 42,500. I will put X over here. Are you able to understand? X for that matter. So if I multiply, do a cross multiplication and give me answer. 8,500, sorry, 85,000 into 12. What is the value?
10,20,000.
10,20,000 equal to 42,500 into 3 is how much?
1,27,500.
You will multiply by X.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
It will become how much? It will become how much?
3x.
What you will do, 10,20,000 divided by 1,25,000 into 3. So do it in a calculator and give me a value. Or what is the answer you got?
2.6.
2.67. So here what we will do, we need to keep this X to that opposite side, right? So we will take 85,000 multiplied by 12 into 42,500. This 3 will come to this side into 3 equal to X. X will go to the opposite side. Do this in your calculator and give me the value. 85,000 into 12. You will get 10,20,000.
8, sir.
You will
8.
get, I think in
8.
calculator you have got 7.99 something. Or you are getting exactly 8.
8.
Exactly, you are getting 8. If you go by divided by equal to method, at the time you will get 7.99. If you go by numerator to denominator, you will get exactly 8. So here the answer is 8 months. Next, question number 107. Super question. Just looking at the question, you can give me the answer. Question number 107. Read that question.
ABC enter into partnership by investing in the ratio of 3:2:4 after 1 year. B invested another 2,70,000 and C at the end of 2 years also invested 2,70,000. At the end of 3 years, profit was shared in the ratio of 3:4:5. Find the initial investment of cash.
Initial investment of cash they are asking. What is a starting investing partnership ratio?
3:2:4.
3:2:4.
3:2:4. What is the requirement of that question? What is the requirement? Initial investment is the answer. Okay, what we will do, we'll go with 3:2. What is 3/2 answer?
1.5, sir.
1.5. Go and check in option A.
1.5 answer.
1.5 answer. So here I am getting 1.5. I will check it with other things. Whether I will get it in option B, 2,70,000 by 1,50,000. Definitely not. 25 by 2,50,000 by 80, 1,80,000. What is answer? 1.38. That is also not my answer. Here, this will remain same, right? Option A and option B remain same, right?
Yes, sir.
But here the thing is, here they have given 4. Here they have given only 3. 33 lakh. It is 2/4 is nothing but 1/2.
Yes,
Whatever is there in second one into multiply by 2 should be on the C. Okay, here it will satisfy all the condition. So without solving anything, the other things are irrelevant to that question. Are you able to understood?
Yes, sir.
Everybody? Yes. You go with last 2 final questions. Your patience is still wait. Okay. We'll go with 108. Read that question.
ABC enter into partnership. A invests 3 times as much as B invests, and B invests 2/3 of what C invests. At the end of year, the profit earned rupees 6,600. What is the share of B?
What is the share of B they are asking. So they are asking what is the share of B. A invests 3 times as much B invest. B invests 2/3 of what C invests. Okay. At what end of the year? The profits earned as 6,000. I'll do in 2-step approach. Okay. A, B, C. Logically, I will apply. Nothing formula is there. Okay. A inverse 3 times as much as B inverse. B inverse 2/3 of what C inverse. What I will do, I will assume C is investing 1. C is investing 1. You can assume 1 lakh, 2 lakh or whatever. C is investing 1. What B is investing? What B is investing?
2/3.
2/3 of what C. Correct. C is invest 1. What is 1 into 2/3?
2/3.
Tell me in decimal for that better calculation.
0.6, sir.
0.6666 goes no. So we will take up to 4 decimal places to get exact answer. So from that, what A investing?
3 times.
Into
3
3. Into 3. Multiply by into 3. What you have got?
1.998, sir.
So shall we take it as 2?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall we take it as 2? Fine. Let it be. Calculate everything. It is nothing but 3.6666 total.
Yes, sir.
What is B is in giving? B share they are asking. So 6,600 divided by 3.6666 into what is B? 0.6666. Do it in a calculator. Give me answer. What is answer?
1,199.
1,199.99. Shall I say it is 1,200?
Yes, sir.
That's
Yes,
it.
sir.
Why we need to go with the formula A trick, B trick, what and all. Assume C is 1, or even you assume C is investing 1 lakh. Whatever the case may be, 1 lakh. You assume any number. From that, do a reverse calculation. C to B, B to A. Okay? Are you comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The last question. 109. Interesting question. It's previously it was there in CPET and many UPSC examination, and now they are getting into this CA. These are one of the interesting questions to be discussed. A and B can do the work. For this, I will give you one trick. Complete everything in form of percentage and then do a calculation. Okay, convert everything into form of percentage and then do a calculation. A and B can do a work in 8 days. B and C can do the same work in 12 days. A, B, C together can finish the work in 6 days. A and C together will do it in how many days they are asking. So in that case, A and B can do the work in 8 days, right? In 8 days, complete everything into form of percentage. That is a one way. Okay. Or there is another way of doing it, is nothing but what is for one day. 8 days, they are completing 8. One piece of work they are completing 8 days when A and B put together. Okay, A plus B will do the same work in 8 days. It means for one day, they will complete the portion of 1/8 of the work. Okay, so what I will do, take a calculator, we'll go with this approach. Whether we will get the answer, we will find it out. 100 by 8, what is the value?
12.5.
12.5, fine. 100 divided by 12, what is the answer?
8.333.
8.333, sir.
8.33%. A, B put together doing this kind of amount of work. B and C is going to put a 8.33% kind of work. A, B and C put together will get how many? 100 divided by 6.
16.66, sir.
16.66, right? 16.666. This is, we find out the percentage of ratio they are doing. Okay. Then what we can do, we can find out and figure it in the form of, here that trick will be applicable. A and C is given. Here B component is common for A, B, B, C is there. Okay, A, B, B, C is there. Here, I don't know, we will get the answer over here. We will go with that approach. Did you remember in ratio we have done this, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, A and B. A is to B, they have given equal to 8. B is to C, they have given equal to 12. A, B, C, they are given equal to 6. They are given. So the individual data is needed. Okay. So the individual data is needed. Without an individual data, we could not approach towards that problem. So what we will do, we'll go with a regular method, and then from that we will find out the different tricks over there. A plus B, they are given in 8 days. So I will convert into form of 1 by 8. Okay, 8 days is converted into 1 days of work. For 8 days, they are doing one work. For 1 day, how many works they have done? It means only 1 by 8. Okay, so 1 A plus B we do. B plus C, what they have given?
12.
How many days they have? 1 by 12.
12.
Okay, A plus B plus C, they have given how much?
1 by 6.
1 by 6. I will do A plus B, I will substitute over here. I will get 1 by 8 plus C is equal to 1 by 6. Okay. Okay, this is a one way. After this point, I will convert everything into decimal. C is equal to 1 by 6 minus 1 by 8. Take a calculator. 1 by 6 M plus 1 by 8 M minus MRC. What is answer? 1 by 6 M plus 1 by 8 M minus MRC. What is answer? 0.
0416, sir.
0416. Fine. B plus C is given. So the B plus C, what we will do? B plus C is the same thing. C we have find out, right? B plus C. What is the C value? 0.0416. 1 by 2. What is 1 by 12 value?
0.08.
0.0833. We will take 3 decimal, 4 decimal. So we will do very simple. B is equal to 0.0833 minus 0.0416. So B is equal to what is the value?
0.04173.
0.04173,
3, sir.
73, right? So this is a B. Okay. From that, I will go with this one to find out the A work. What is 1 by 8 value? 0.125, yeah.
0.125. Yes.
125, yeah. A plus 0.04173 equal to 0.125. So A equal to 0.125 minus 0.04173. Give me A value. Give me A value.
0.08327, sir.
0.08
327.
327. They are asking A plus C. So the A plus C is nothing but 0.8327 plus 0.0416. What is answer? 0.8327 plus 0.0416.
0.8743.
0.87.
43.
0.8743 is a value. So if it is, what you will do? Shall I say, do with this. If I say 50%, it is nothing but 1 by 2. Is it nothing but 1 by 2?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So in the same way, here I put 1 by 8, right? Shall I say this 1 by 8 is nothing but 12.5?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here what I am doing, I am taking that value to convert into percentage I have given in a form of 100 by 8. That's what 12.5%, right? In the same way, this A plus C, I am getting 0.8743. So I will multiply by 100. 0.8743 multiply by 100 or multiply by, you will get 1/10 of the value, right? So multiply by 10. Convert it into days, multiply by 10. You will get what? 8.7.
Yes, sir.
So it is approximately 8 days. The answer is correct. Yes, 8 days. To get exact 8 days, to find out any decimal places, we'll go without a calculator approach. To find out the exact 8 days answer, we go on to go with direct calculator approach. The direct calculator approach, I will do it newly without any confusion. First thing, I am doing it again. Be listen carefully. A plus B they are given for 8 days. So for 1 day, it is 1 by 8. For B plus C, they have given 12 days. It is 12 days, right?
Yes, sir.
So it is 1 by 12. A plus B plus C, they have given how many days? 6
6
days.
days.
So it is 1 by 6. So A plus B, I will substitute over here. 1 by 8 plus C is equal to 1 by 6. C is equal to 1 by 6 minus 1 by 8. I will take a cross multiplication. 8 minus 6 divided by 48. C is equal to 2 by 48. C is equal to 1 by 24. I will find the C answer. Take this answer and substitute in this option. B plus 1 by 24 equal to 1 by 12. So B equal to 1 by 12 minus 1 by 24. If I do cross multiplication, or what is the value over here? One by 24, right? Yes. Or I can substitute this in the ratio of, or I will do it in a different way. This is also one way of doing. In the same thing, I will substitute B and C from this same thing, because if I take 24 multiplication, it will go long. So what I will do, B plus C. B plus C is equal to 12. So A plus 1 by 12 is equal to 1 by 6. So A is equal to 1 by 6 minus 1 by 12. So A is equal to, if I do cross multiplication, to the 12 into 6 will become 72. Then it is 12 minus 6. So A is equal to 6 by 72. If I further cancel it, it will become 1 by 12. So A will become 1 by 12. So A plus C only they are asking. A plus C is equal to, we will do, A plus C is nothing but 1 by 12 plus 1 by 24. If I take LCM, it will become only 24 because the highest number in the same table. It is, then it will become 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 will become 3. So 24. So 3 by 24, I say it is 1 by 8. 1 by 8, if converted into days, it will become 8 days. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
So this is what the actual method, if you know the mathematics, if you can do it, the quick mathematical skills, you can take it in this way. Or if I don't want to do it by pen and paper mode, you can go with the calculator. There will be some probable error, some decimal errors will be there. Or if you want to simplify it, rather than taking for whole decimal places, you can take it for up to 2 to 3 decimal places. That will also give you an exact answer. Okay, with this, the newly added concept of partnership in ratios is over. I hope you have enjoyed this classes. In our next session, we will be starting with our 8.C exercise. That 8.C is nothing but a application of differential and integral in commerce and economics. Okay, that was previously there in the old syllabus, but there is no that much practical problem given in the module. Okay, what they have now done, they have consolidated all the past paper questions. They have created a new exercise and they have put the new exercise and they are asking that question. Somewhere around 28 questions will be there. In our next session, we will be discussing on that part. Before coming to that next session or before watching that next session, I want you to complete that differential calculus of application. What is conversion of average cost into marginal cost, average cost into total cost, what is total cost to marginal cost, what is revenue, what is price. Everything I want you to remember. Okay, and then come to a next class, we will complete in the next class. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.